Hey dear super learners, welcome back to Kids Learning Loop, where learning is always fun. Today we're going to look at magic E words or silent E. We're going to change CVCe words to CVCe words. Are you ready? Let's go! What is magic E? Magic E is a special silent letter at the end of a word. It does not make a sound, but it changes how the vowel sounds in the word. The magic E rules. When the letter E is added to the end of a word, it makes the vowel say its name. A, E, I, O, or U. And those are the long vowel sounds. It stays silent. You do not pronounce the E. Let us look at some examples. Words without the magic E and words with magic E. Cap. It has a short vowel sound. When E is added to the word, it becomes cape. It gives the long A sound. Pin has a short I sound. When E is added to the word, it becomes pine. That's the long I sound. Hop, short O. When E is added to the end of that word, it gives the long O sound. Hope. Cub, short U sound. When E is added to the word, it is cube. Long U sound. Let us look at some other examples. We are going to use our letter sounds to decode the CVC words and the CVCe words. Let's go. Hid, hid. Hide. Cap, cap. Cape. Cot. Cute. Pin. Pine. Can. Cane. Eat. Kit. I. Kite. B. Rob. Robe. Good job, everyone. You did an awesome job today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.